How do you say kiss in Portuguese? The word kiss in Portuguese is beijo. Beijo. Dá-me beijo. Dá-me beijo. Give me a kiss. Envio-te beijo. Envio-te beijo. I'm sending you a kiss. Beijinhos. Beijinhos. Little kisses. And this is a common way to say goodbye in Portuguese. Beijinhos. So, beijo means kiss, and it's a masculine noun. So if you want to say the kiss, you say o beijo. O beijo. The plural is beijos. Beijos. The diminutive beijinho, or beijinhos in the plural, is a very common and sweet way of signing off messages in Portuguese. Beijinhos. It literally means little kisses. Beijo para ti. Beijo para ti. A kiss for you. Muitos beijinhos. Até amanhã. Muitos beijinhos. Até amanhã. Lots of kisses. See you tomorrow. Ela deu-lhe beijo na cara. Ela deu-lhe beijo na cara. She gave him a kiss on the cheek. So if you want to say kiss in Portuguese, you can say beijo. And if you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course 3-Minute Portuguese by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Obrigado.